welcome you everyone today. Today I will teach you the new topic in the chapter HTML. We have already learned the most of the different tags available in the HTML language in your syllabus. But today I will teach you some most important tags. With the help of that tag you can use your document with the another HTML document with the help of the different linking type of tag. We can say it as hyperlinking. So hyperlinking can be done with the help of two important tags, anchor tag and hyperlink tag. These tags are very important while writing or typing the HTML code, because this is very important due to its use, where you can collect all the different web pages over the single web page. So by collecting from the different places, the anchor tag will be helpful to you for gathering your total document in the one document. So you can see on your screen that a tag. What is a tag? So we will see the detailed definition and detailed description about the anchor tag. We can say it as anchor tag. It is used to create the link or hyperlink. Why we use the anchor tag? For creating link or hyperlink. Some student every day using the different mobiles. In that mobile they choose the different songs, or they can choose the different website to play the songs. While playing the songs, there are so many links are there. First of all, you should have to search for the specific picture. After that, there will be open the list of the different songs available in the specific picture. Out of the different songs, you can select any one option song. At that time, only that song will be playing in front of you. You can enjoy by listening the song. The same process in the HTML also. There are different type of web pages are there. Only the address of the page has to be inserted in the first page. Whenever we see the first page of any website, we call it as home page. Why we use the home page? The home page shows the detail about the website. We can't show all the pages at the single screen, because your computer screen is limited sized. So due to the limited size, we can't watch the different website by opening in front of our eyes. We can open by use of the hyperlinking, because hyperlink is very important concept is there. With the help of hyperlinking, we can click over the any word or character or the number. After clicking that number or character or word, we can reach up to that type of page by using the hyperlink over there. So what should we have to do over there? So we must have to do applying the hyperlink is there. So how to apply the hyperlinking, we will see in the example. Before that, there is a sentence we will read carefully. The text or image enclosed between the starting tag and ending tag. Starting tag A is there and ending tag /A is there. Every tag closes with the slash. We can call it as forward slash is there. We use the forward slash to close any tag. So anchor tag also closes with the slash. The link is clickable in a graphical browser is there. You can see the detailed definition or detailed description over your screen. Just that type of description requires inside your answer sheet. So first of all, see the meaning of the anchor tag, and if whether there is no description with the different points, you should have to write different point with the different examples also in your notebook, also with your answer sheet also. Book language is very simple, it is point wise, but some questions are not point wise, so that time you should have to insert the different points to the different sentences. So we will see the link is clickable in a graphical browser. So what is browser? We have discussed about the browser in our first video. In that first video we have already seen there are different browsers: Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator. We can use the UC browser, Opera Mini, also different type of browsers is there, out of which you can use anyone for showing your web page. So whenever you click over that word, your mouse pointers looks differently. Your mouse pointer will be look like a finger. So whenever you point, you click over the word or character or the sentence or any number where already hyperlink had been given, then you can open the another page directly with the help of hyperlink over there by clicking, by single clicking is there, because by clicking you can reach up to the next page. The next page should be given at the required places. If I want to give my another page, so you can see in this example, a href is equal to d in double quote http is there, double slash is there. Double slash, that means you already know that the root directory, you can say www.rosecard.com. rosecard.com is the name of the website. So whenever I will click over the word more card, then the website www.rosecards.com will be open in front of you at the web page. This is just only the coding for giving the hyperlink over the word more cards. So what you have to do, you should have to put the anchor tag before the word, and you should have to close the anchor tag after the word. Just see the attribute what had written there, href is there. So what is the meaning of href? href means hyperlink. So here href is meaning hyperreference. Hyperreference is there. So hyperreference means reference of the address. Reference of the address of the file or the website or the image. You can give the different hyperlink there. We will see after watching the anchor tag. The object to do which the link has to be made is different by the href attribute hyperlink hypertext reference. It is the hypertext reference. We have already learned about what is the hypertext. We have learned in our first video that what you mean by the hypertext. When we were understanding the definition of HTML, at that time we have already learned about the hyperreference and hyperlink. Also we have learned already about the hyperreference also, hyperlink also, and linking also. So today we will just memorize that type of concept. We will just see the details about the hyperlink. So what is the abstract definition from the anchor tag is to give the special meaning or to give the hyperlinking to any word or character or number or the sentence. So many students have already used the Google. If someone wants to get the information about any topic, we have seen one example in the computer basic video that if we want to get the information about Mahatma Gandhi ji, then we insert the word Mahatma Gandhi ji inside the Google search engine, where we can get the different website. After clicking enter over your keyboard, then you will get different website is there related with the word Mahatma Gandhi ji. But if you don't like any page which has opened in front of you, then you can choose the next websites. There are thousands of websites open in front of you, but just over the screen some of the website will be shown, some of the name of the website will be shown over the single screen. You just have to click over the another page. Where will be the another page? At the bottom side of the screen there will be the name of the page numbers. You can open any one page from the given page numbers. There are only one button is there, next button is there. You can click over the button, so it will open the next page in front of you, out of which you also can choose any one of the website which has already displayed in front of you. So you can just click over the number, after you will get the another different websites will be displayed in front of you. What is the meaning of that? This is just only the hyperlinking. When you click over the number, the next list of the different website will be open in front of you. When you click the number, while clicking your mouse pointer changes in the sign of finger, then you just have to click over that, then and then you can open the website very easily. So I think you have already understand about the anchor tag. We will see the different tag related to the hypertext transfer protocol or hyperlink. We will see the another tag. The name of the tag is href. You can see very easily href tag is there. Href attribute. Href is the attribute of the anchor tag. You can easily type the href there. You can see the example at the bottom. See the example first, then and then I will explain the definition over that. There is a sentence, enter your email ID. Before that we have started anchor tag and href is there for getting the hyper reference of the file or the website. You can see http / is there www.rediffmail.com. Whenever you will click over the word enter your email ID, then directly you will reach up to the www.rediffmail.com. You can directly open by typing the www.rediffmail.com, but whenever you use that type of word over your web page, enter your email ID or click for the email ID, click for open the email ID, you can use your own sentences is there, not use that sentence same written inside your book. You can use your own sentence differently by your own website. So whenever you will click over the word enter your email ID, whenever you will see the web page is there, then directly www.rediffmail.com website will be open in front of you by single inserting the name of the website inside the hyper reference whenever we use the anchor tag. So anchor tag is very important tag for giving the hyperlink to any sentence or the word or character or the number. So it is very important concept in HTML. We will see the practical for that in our some next videos, so you will be better understand that concept. But today we are just watching the theory example, theory definitions about the anchor tag and href type of hyperreference attribute is there. The attribute marks the anchor as the start of a link to another document or resource of a particular place in another document. What href shows you? Href is the reference of the another document or the file or any website. We will see the different types. We can enter the different type of hyperreference is there in our next video. So keep watching. We will discuss about the detail in our next video. So watch very carefully. Create your own web page with the help of different coding of created by your own minds. You can clear to write the different coding system with the help of anchor tag. So please refer this video for getting better understanding. You can also get the knowledge from the internet also. You can use your own textbook for getting the better knowledge. Okay, thank you student. We will meet in our next video with the different topic. Okay, keep watching.